share this video with somebody that needs to do some burpees and understand that burpees is all you need. Let's go!
There should be no excuses when it comes to your health or fitness. My name is ScottBERNARD and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to explain and talk about the benefits of why burpees is all you need. No gym, no problem. As you see right here, I'm warming up, making sure that I have blood flowing throughout my body with my resistance band. It's very important to warm up because you want to avoid injuries. I don't go into any workout before I warm up, especially I'm getting older now. Not as a young buck, but I'm getting older. So in this routine, what I'm doing right now, I'm doing 10 burpees every minute on the minute, and whatever seconds I have left is my rest time. So this is really great for strength endurance. Now, why do I say burpees is all you need? Well, first of all, it's a full body workout. Your chest is getting involved, your core is getting involved, your legs, your hamstring, your quads, your calves, everything. You're going up in one motion, and you're gonna burn a lot of calories as well doing the burpee the correct and proper way. And one thing I really love about this specific routine is that it's gonna keep you accountable and it's going to challenge you. And you know, if it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. And this routine is gonna change you because if you're doing your burpees slow, you're gonna have less time to rest. But if you do your burpees more efficient, then you have more time to rest. So it's really gonna keep you accountable. Now, you have to understand, the burpee is the best of both worlds. You're doing a push-up and a squat in one motion. You're getting it done all in one. So coming up from the push-up into the squat, and you know, when it comes to compound exercises, we're working multiple muscles at one time, and this is why I highly emphasize the burpee, or highly emphasize calisthenics in general. But right now the focus is on the burpee. As you can see, I'm outside in the great outdoors. I'm not around any equipment, but my body is the equipment. My body is the machine in its entirety, my body. So it's really just gonna take away all of those excuses that you may have, like, oh, I can't make it to the gym, oh, I can't make it to the park. You become the gym, you become the park, and you work out within yourself. I didn't really start to do burpees like this until the pandemic, when we were inside and we couldn't go to the gym and we couldn't go to the facilities. And I really picked up on burpees. And I have to give flowers and definitely have to give a shout out to my man Iron Wolf, because his work ethic has allowed me to really embrace the burpee in so many different ways. You could do the Navy SEALs, you could do the regular burpee. As you can see, I'm not jumping. Now, the reason why I'm not jumping is because I don't want to expend so much energy. I just really want to focus on working my triceps, working my chest, working my legs. When you do the explosive burpee, that's more energy expenditure. So here, I'm just focused on the movement, and I'm just focused on really contracting my muscles. Mind you, this is going to be 100 reps. 100 reps, because you're doing 10 minutes, 10 burpees every minute on the minute. You can do 5 minutes every minute on the minute. You can do 4, you can do 3. But for me, on this video, I said, you know what? I'm feeling myself. Let me do 100 reps of these burpees. And you can do this anywhere, family. No gym, no problem. You could be in your house, you could be in your office, you could be anywhere. Just get it done. That's the most important thing. Remove all the excuses out of your life and get it done, because excuses is not going to get you results at the end of the day. So you might as well keep yourself accountable and work on thyself. And also, you can build muscle with this routine. You could definitely build some muscle with this. You're not gonna build big, bulky muscles because it's not a lot of resistance or it's not a lot of weight to it, and it's fine. But you're gonna build a lot of strength endurance. So those functioning muscles, functional movement is gonna be very dire towards your overall physique. So I recommend that any and everybody can do this. especially with this routine, because you're constantly going. You are constantly attacking the hypertrophy method of just pumping as much blood to the muscle as you can. The rest time is very little to none, and the rest time is really dependent on you. So that's why I say this routine is definitely going to keep you accountable. And also, there's many different ways that you can build muscle with the burpee. One thing I've started to do was the 2-pump burpee, which is the 2 push-ups in one. I'm going to be doing some of them during this routine just to spice it up a little bit, give my muscles a nice little pump, because I'm doing this routine after my initial workout. So this is a great finisher. It's a great workout and it's a great finisher. So do not sleep on the burpee, especially with this workout. Try it out. Share it. It's not what you do, it's how you do it. I see a lot of people when I go to the gym, they spending 2-3 hours in the gym. Why are you spending 2-3 hours in the gym? A great example that this routine right here is only 10 minutes. 10 minutes. You telling me you can't take 10 minutes out of your day to make a change? Family, it was like about a good 85 degrees outside, very hot. Let me get my water break.
Let's work! Let's go! Woo! No pain, no gain. Halfway there. No gym, no problem. Get it done by any means necessary.
Getting it done by any means necessary. And this is why I emphasize the burpee so much. Because it just removes all excuses. You are getting a full body workout and you are doing it in a less amount of time, right? You don't got to spend too much time on it. And just make sure that the workout is stimulating you, stimulating your muscles. Make sure that you are getting some fatigue in. So the more that you continue to do it, yes, the fatigue is going to kick in. And that is an indication that you are working, you are doing something. You are building up a sweat, you are breaking down muscles, you are breaking down the fibers. And in order to see the gains, of course, you got to recover. Let me break down something to you as well, too. A lot of people think that you're going to build muscle through the workout phase. No, you break down the muscles during the workout phase. Tissues are being broken down. The most important thing is recovery. Sleeping right, eating right. Make sure that you're getting your macros in, drinking your water, staying hydrated, eating your fruits and vegetables. And not just thinking of having this protein thing. We need to start talking about minerals, calcium, iron, magnesium. But that's a conversation for another day. I digress. This is bigger than me, family. I come from the Bronx, which is one of the most unhealthiest counties in the world. And for me, when I'm doing these workouts and when I'm showing what I'm doing on a daily and I'm inspiring and I'm motivating people and teaching people, this is for my community. This is for my people. I want to show them a different way that health and wellness should be a priority in your life. You could extend the amount of years that you live on this earth by working out, eating healthy. You're doing your burpees, understand that movement is medicine. Any kind of movement. It doesn't have to be burpees. If you're running, if you're walking, if you're doing something that's going to help to stimulate your body and help to stimulate your mind as well too, because this is also attached to the mental health aspect. Because working out is a form of therapy. Transmutation of energy, whatever you're feeling, whatever emotions that you have, because emotions is energy in motion. You transmute that into your workout, whatever it is, and pull it all out on the front line. And you go in and you put your best foot forward. Almost coming up to that last set, family. I'm feeling it. My muscles is My muscles is fatigued. I'm a little bit fatigued, but it's fine. Like I said before, the pain made room for progress. So coming into this last set, I'm really just trying to take my deep breaths and just really trying to pace myself, because I know the last set is always the best set. And speaking about pain, I'd rather feel this pain than the pain of having an incurable disease. The pain of not being able to walk. The pain of not being able to move and function normally. I'd rather feel this pain of working out and bettering myself and bettering my mental health and just really pushing myself so I can become the best version of myself. And I want you to have the same mindset, family. It may get hard, but it's only temporary. And if you're a warrior, you gotta fight and fight for what you believe in. So believe in yourself and fight for yourself. We're almost there, but almost don't cut it. We have to get there. And this is why I love my burpees. And you should too. At this point, it's all gas and no brakes. All gas and no brakes. I want to finish it. I want to get it done. But I want to be efficient with my movements. I want to be efficient with everything. Like, yes, you will fatigue the longer you go into a workout, but you have to make sure that you maintain proper form as well too, so you do not injure yourself. So I'm really feeling it right now. But we on a mission and we got to get it done by any means necessary. Malcolm X voice. Let's go. As I'm finishing up these 100 burpees, family, I'll leave you with this message. You gotta get out the comfort zone. This is not an easy routine at all, but when you get out the comfort zone, you start to grow, you start to elevate, you start to shine, you start to upgrade, you start to better yourself. So do not be afraid of getting out your comfort zone, because nothing grows when you're in the comfort zone. And when you have that mentality, you'll be ready to take on any and everything in the world. So do not forget to do your burpees. Like I said,
Woo! There you have it, man. Burpees. No gym, no problem. No excuse, no problem. It's all you need. I'm outside in the great outdoors. It's me and nature. Me and God, working out together. So, like I said before, the routine, 10 minutes on the clock to 10 burpees, whatever seconds you have left is your rest time. So, the better you do, the more your rest time. The worse you do, the less your rest time. So it keeps you very accountable, all right? It's all about accountability, self-accountability. If you're a warrior, you're gonna fight for what you believe in. So believe in yourself. All right? There should be no excuses when it comes to your health and wellness. It's your boy, ScottBERNARD. Rate, comment, like, share, subscribe. Shout out to all the supporters. Shout out to everybody in the channel. Share this video with somebody that needs to do some burpees. And understand that burpees is all you need. Let's go! Woo! No pain, no gain, baby. Man.
Ooh, that thing healthy. Paper bag with the greens, I'm gonna ring it up like house keys. Who got that healthy? Phone click up in the picture, got my crew all in my selfies. Ooh, that thing healthy.